Mainstream media is more and more talking about the fact that prices are rising now, especially in metropolitan areas. To truly understand that statement, you need to delve further to understand the further segmentation of the market. There are two segments to the market. First is called turnkey. As the name suggests, it's been all done. All you got to do is move right in and live your life. Everything's been updated, inspections are clean, everything is ready to go. And these are the ones that are receiving multiple offers and are the primary reason for the prices skyrocketing. Eliminate the headaches. The current generation of home buyers are willing to pay a top premium for that service. The other segment of the market is the non-turnkey segment. These are homes that may need a little bit or may need quite a bit of renovation to make it market ready. And these are the ones that are not getting a lot of love and are not necessarily receiving multiple offers. So they'll stay on market a little bit longer and get less attention. And this has to do with money, of course. A turnkey property, no matter how much you pay for it, your loan will cover 100% of that purchase price. If you purchase first and try to do renovation later, obviously that renovation project cannot be rolled into the purchase loan. So the entire project, the renovation project, has to be funded in cash or maybe put on a credit card. So as a seller, you have to make a decision. What segment do you want to participate in? Do you want to be in the turnkey segment where all of the record-setting prices are happening and multiple offers are kind of the norm? Or do you want to go into the non-turnkey segment where it may sell, but you're not going to benefit from all of that competition unless you have a property that is very special or are located in a very highly desirable location?